Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are showcasing what is considered the best black-pink backpack available on the market. The Alikpop USB Black Backpack Pink Shutdown Korean Casual Backpack. If you're a fan of K-pop fashion or just looking for a stylish and practical everyday backpack, this one is definitely worth your attention. First off, this backpack is made from high-quality, durable nylon fabric, which means it's built to last while maintaining a lightweight feel. The sleek design is inspired by Korean casual style, combining functionality with a trendy aesthetic that's perfect for college students, professionals, or anyone who loves the black-pink vibe. Measuring approximately 17.8 by 11.9 by 8.28 inches, it offers ample space for your laptop and daily essentials. Whether you need to carry your books, gadgets, or accessories, this backpack has the capacity and organization to keep everything in place. It also features adjustable, padded shoulder straps designed for comfort, even when you're carrying it for extended periods. One of the standout features is its built-in USB charging port with an extension cord included. This modern convenience lets you charge your devices on the go without fumbling around your bag, making it perfect for busy days or travel. Along with the backpack, you also receive a plush ball accessory, adding a fun and cute touch that fans of the brand will appreciate. The backpack is available in a unique color scheme that blends black with pink shutdown graphics, capturing the essence of the K-pop aesthetic while remaining versatile enough for everyday use. Its style is minimalistic yet eye-catching, making it a perfect gift for Blackpink fans or anyone who wants to add a pop of personality to their look. In summary, the Alikpop USB Black Backpack Pink Shutdown Korean Casual Backpack delivers on style, durability, and modern functionality. Its spacious interior, comfortable straps, and tech-friendly features make it a standout choice in the crowded backpack market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to combine fashion with function in a backpack, this one should definitely be on your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and critiques. See you next time.